Hi, my name is Jack Wright, and today my project is on perimeter and area. So, first, what is perimeter? Perimeter is basically the outside of an area. It's basically a fence or a wall outside of any shape possible that you can think of. It could have 7 sides, 8 sides, 9 sides, whatever sides. And you just need to find the area. And to find the perimeter, you add up each of the sides to find the perimeter. So for this example, it would be x plus x plus x plus x. And that would be 4x, and it would be whatever. It would just be however many, like say that's 7, that one's 7, that one's 5, and that one's 5. It would be 14 plus 10, 24. So, next part of how to find perimeter and area is how to find the area. To find area, you need to do base times height. So the base would be the bottom of something. It would be the bottom of a wall, and height would be how tall the wall is. It would be like 6 feet. The wall would be 6 feet tall and like 5 or 6 feet wide, and that would be 36. Because then you would do the 6 times the 6, and it would be 36. So, for our first example, this one right here is perimeter. So, since and also for squares and any other thing, you can also cut it in half. That's how, if you cut a square in half, you'll get, you just half it to find a triangle. Base times height divided by 2, and you get area of a triangle. So, our first example is a rectangle that has sides 3, 6, 3, 6. And if you add, we have to add them up, you get 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And then you do 3 plus 12 is 15. And then 3 plus 15 is 18. So that would be, for the perimeter of that one, that would be 18. And for this one, since it has 4 sides and it's a rectangle, this side is equal to this side right here, and this side is equal to this side. So for perimeter of this one, it would be 4 plus 4 plus 10 plus 10. It'd be 20, and then 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 4 is 24, and then plus 4 is 28. Then, to find the area, you do the 10. Your bases are, like, it could be any, for squares, it could be any of the sides or rectangles. So the base would be 10, and the height would be 4. So you go 10 times 4 is 40, and that would be 40, whatever your unit of measurement is, squared. So it could be 40 inches squared, 40 centimeters squared, 40 meters squared, whatever unit of measurement you're doing, but it has to be squared. For perimeter, it would be whatever unit of measurement. It would just be, for yards, it would just be yards. Or inches, it would just be inches. There's no inches squared. It's just, there's no squared for that one. And then for the area of this shape, you would do 6 times 3, which is 18. And then 18, and then you do 18, whatever unit of measurement squared. So, that is how you find the perimeter and area by Jack Wright.